Okay, next is integrating e to the power of 2x cos x over 4 dx. Okay, again determine which is your u, and now it's trigo and exponential. Okay, so exponential comes last, so make u equals to cos x over 4. Okay, so from here we can differentiate du over dx, which is negative sine x over 4, and then multiply by 1 over 4, and this can be simplified to negative sine x over 4 over 4. And then dv, u equals to cos over 4, so dv will be e to the power of 2x, and v is integrating dv, okay, which is integrating e to the power of 2x, and that will give us e to the power of 2x over 2. So now that we have, okay, some questions you may have to differentiate twice. Okay, that's the challenging part. Okay, that's the challenging part. So let's look at this. Okay, now since we already have all the values, and the formula is integrating u dv equals to uv minus integrating v du. Okay, so this is your u dv. So what we are looking for is v du. Okay, uv and v du. So the uv here is cos. Okay, that's our u, cos x over 4 multiplied by e to the power of 2x over 2 minus integrating, okay, it's v du. V is negative sine x over 4 over 4 multiplied by du e to the power of 2x over 2. Okay, so this is another word. Okay, I can write it here. Du is, you take dx multiply, so it will give us du equals to negative sine x over 4 over 4 dx. So let's solve this. So now if I simplify this side, what I'll have is cos, okay, cos x over 4 multiplied by e to the power of 2x, the whole thing divided by 2. Okay, and then this is minus, okay, I'm gonna take out the negative out and make it positive, and 4 times 2 will be 1 over 8. Okay, that'll be 1 over 8. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, so rewriting that, so what I will get over here is, okay, so that is, oops, okay, so sorry, okay, yeah, okay, so that's plus, and then integrating, okay, I'm going to take 4 times 2, which is 1 over 8. So if you simplify that, I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, so that there's not much of working over here and it wouldn't be as tedious as it gets. Okay, so since whenever you have double integration, things will be quite tedious. Okay, you've got to do a lot of working, so make sure you try to simplify your working. This would eliminate any careless mistakes. Okay, so let's do this. So you have e to the power of 2x, okay, and then multiply by sine x over 4. That's what we have. So looking at this, we can see clearly that we have to do another integration by part. Okay, another integration by part. So I'm going to do that separately. Okay, okay, another integration by part. So let's make u equals to sine x over 4. Okay, we have seen this, that the first one we have e to the power of 2x. Okay, that's the first function, and then the second function is sine x over 4. I'm going to take sine x over 4 as my u, okay, following the layered acronym. So from there we can make du, okay, differentiate that, du over dx equals to cos x over 4, and this time multiply by 1 over 4, which will give us cos x over 4 over 4. So du equals to cos x over 4 over 4 dx. Okay, now if u is sine x, then dv will be e to the power of 2x. Okay, and integrating will give us e to the power of 2x over 2. Okay, now that I have this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this into another formula.